Showtime is number 56, and now 2 more fights to go. And the next fighter making his way to the ring, fighting out of the blue corner, representing the Netherlands. Please welcome Michael.
I wonder how long he's gonna do it. Oh shit, this is hilarious. So he's at the fucking dentist office.